Here I have Poco C40, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to the front camera. So let's just take some photo just for an example, and now I will show you how you can turn it off. So you tap on 3 stripes, then go to settings, and here you have this option mirror front camera. So you just disable it, and now every photo you take will be like this. So as you can see, when you have it enabled, I have lightning from the right side, and with it disabled it goes from the left side. But it's actually on the right side, so I think like enabled camera mirroring is more accurate or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.